Welcome back to Tita Lily's Kitchen. Today I will prepare a simple, healthy, and delicious dish, stir-fry vegetables with tofu. So to those who are vegetarian, I'm sure you will love it. So let's start preparing the veggies. I just finished prepping the veggies. I have here carrot, broccoli, mushrooms, baby corn, green beans, red bell pepper, and with tofu, I'm using regular firm. And we also need garlic, onion, black pepper, oyster sauce, brown sugar, vegetable powder seasoning, slurry, and oil for frying. Now let's get cooking. I'll start frying the tofu. I prefer my tofu a bit crispy outside and soft inside. This will take more or less 3 to 4 minutes. If you want to make it crispier, just fry it more. This is done. I just have to transfer it on a separate bowl. Next is to saute garlic and onion. I'm gonna throw in a small slice of butter, but this is optional. Start bringing in the veggies. So in goes carrot and mushrooms. And now the rest of the vegetables. At this point, I'll add powder seasoning, black pepper, oyster sauce, and brown sugar mixed together, and the fried tofu. This is almost done, and to finish it off, I'll add the slurry to thicken the sauce. This is it, my version of stir-fry vegetables with tofu. Looking so delicious and a must-try recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. So bye for now, and see you again on my next cooking vlog.